How to log into your 8x8 account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, simply search for 8x8 login. Now head over to the very first site, 8x8 login. Wait for a while for it to process. You will be landing on this official page. So in this page, you will be able to log into your account. First of all, enter your username or the email address associated with your account. Once you have entered your username, tap on continue. Now all you want to do is enter the password of your account that you have created before. Once you have entered your password, you have to tap on login. By any chance, if you have forgotten your password, then you have to click on forgot and then follow the on-screen process in order to recover it. Once you have recovered your password, enter it and then tap on login. Once you have clicked on login, you will be logged into a specific account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your 8x8 account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.